let's go through our first worksheet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys your Canvas page from the student view and show you just around a little bit. And then we'll go through a few things from worksheet 1. Okay, let me share my screen here. Okay, so this is your Canvas shell. Again, we're section 706, and we have this first module here, and this is where all the important stuff is, right? The syllabus, the little video, hopefully you watched about me, the little introduce yourself forum, remember that's due August 22nd. The peer forum, this is just if you have questions and want to connect with other people in the class. It's a place to foster that community, okay? On the right, you wanna pay attention to due dates, things coming up. So introduce yourself is due the 22nd. The quiz on the syllabus is due on the 22nd. Okay. What is this class about? Hopefully you read this page. That's due on the 22nd. All of that stuff is going to be due at some point. Okay. So please pay attention to that. Now, here in the middle, I've got stuff for your final project. As you can see, the first few things aren't due until October. So we're just going to kind of put a pin in that. I'll make a video about the project in a little bit. Okay, so we're scrolling down here to module 1. This is your syllabus quiz. Please take this. It's 5 questions. It's pretty straightforward if you've read the syllabus. Now, what I want to draw your attention to is worksheet 1. So you click on that. Okay, it's a virtual worksheet. Requires the use of a computer. This is an online class. You're going to need to use a computer. So you're going to download this document. You're going to follow the instructions. You're going to write your answers in a different color and upload your completed worksheet here. Okay. Again, I grade it for completion and not correctness. Now, I recommend you use your lab manual, but I know some of you have ordered your lab manual and it hasn't come in. And so I have here a website that has some of the information, most of the information that you'll need. But please, in general, try to use your worksheet. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull up that pull up the worksheet. You'd think after a year and a half I would know how to do this better. Okay, so this is worksheet 1. Again, you're going to put the date, the section, your name on the top here. You're then going to go to Marieb activities 1 through 3 in your lab manual, and you're going to read it and use it to help you with these learning objectives. Now, again, learning objectives, these are what we're hoping to get out of this unit, understanding the importance of anatomical position, using the correct terminology, talking about reference points and directions, labeling body planes and regions, talking about organ functions, and then basics for a microscope. So you're going to read the question and put your answer in a different colored font here. You're going to drag these letters to where they belong on the body. So B, what is the inferior portion of the left lumbar region? Wherever that is, drag B to that region, etc. You're going to tell me about directional terms, right? They go here, what plane is used, body cavities, just the basics for the organ systems, basics for using a microscope. Here's an example of a microscope and some key definitions, okay? 5 pages. You're going to type your answers in a different color. Now, if you are a person who likes handwriting, you can also print out this worksheet and handwrite your answers. That is fine. You're going to save it, and then you are going to upload it. Let's switch back here. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email. Hopefully that was straightforward.